Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Snapchat slowdown. You have reached your limit. If you are using Snapchat and you're facing this type issue that whenever you try to add any friend in this Snapchat, so you see an error that slow down, you have reached your limit of friend request. For now, try again in a few days. So let's see how can you fix this issue. So very first, you just have to go back from here and you have to open your Snapchat app again. And here, just tap on your profile option in the top left. Or you have to keep in mind if you're trying to add friends for a lot of time and you have already added a lot of friends and again you are facing this issue, so it's mean that your friend limit has been reached. So you just have to wait for almost 24 hours and after that you can easily add more friends without any error. Or if you're facing this issue without adding friends, so let's see you can how fix this. You just have to tap on the setting or the gear icon in the top right, and here just scroll down, look for the option of clear data, and then select clear cache, then tap on clear. It will clear cache and if it will fix if there will be bug and your Snapchat app. Or you can also try to update your Snapchat app by opening your App Store or Play Store and looking for Snapchat. And you just have to make sure that your Snapchat app is up to date. There is no any pending update for your Snapchat. If you find this, try to update your app. After updating, you have to go back and you have to retry to add anyone that's your friend. If you're still facing the same issues, open your settings app here, go for general, go for iPhone storage, just look for Snapchat app and you just have to try to offload your app. So after offloading, you have to reinstall the app and after reinstallation, your issue will be fixed. If there will be bug or any malware into your Snapchat app, it will be fixed in the step and you'll not get the issue again. Or in any case, if you're still facing the same issue, so you have to try to contact with Snapchat support. So you have to open your Snapchat app. Here, just tap on your profile icon in the top left, and then tap on settings the gear icon in the top right. Scroll down, look for the help center. Just select help center here. Now in help center, you just have to scroll down and just look for the option of contact us. Tap on it. Here, further scroll down and you just have to look for the option of I need help with the Snapchat feature. Select that. And here for the scroll down and just look for friends. And just select adding, deleting or blocking friends. And here you'll get a small description how can you fix the issue. Or you can also select any option from here to get more help or to get specific help. Or you can also contact with Snapchat support. Just tap on this option to contact with Snapchat support and just wait for the login. And after contacting with Snapchat support, your issue must be fixed and you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.